In this video, I will show you how to insert a game card into your Nintendo Switch 2, and the process is quite simple. Keep in mind that you can insert both your Nintendo Switch 1 games and your Nintendo Switch 2 games into your Nintendo Switch 2. Now to do this, you just want to turn over to the top of your Nintendo Switch 2 and you're going to see this game card port over here. What you just want to do is to go ahead and insert your finger where we have this little space over here and then just pull it upward, and you're going to notice that it will actually open freely for you. What you want to do next is to go ahead and get your game card, then just turn it. Make sure the picture part is actually facing you while the back is actually facing the console, and then you just want to go ahead and insert it just like so, and then just spring load it just like so, and then close the game card port. Now you can literally see the game we just added. You just want to go ahead and select it. For some games, you actually have to download the updates that has been made. Once the update is downloaded, you can just select the game and start playing on your Nintendo Switch 2. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.